Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel Richard Tech. Formerly it was known as Hackers Pro, but I've changed things and right now it's Richard Tech. So please subscribe. And my previous video that was 1 year ago, I posted a video of how to install the most powerful hacking tool on your Android. Now this is the second video I told you guys that I'm going to provide for you, and it's for you to install the most important tools and to get started for the app. So before you can start everything, you have to download some important tools in the app before you can start the hacking and the pen testing and all of that. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So let's get started with the updating packages. To update it, type pkg upgrade to upgrade all the repository packages in it. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish installing, but it's going to take some time, so I'm going to forward this place. Okay, now it's done upgrading. Now we need to continue installing our packages. So we are going to start with Python package. So to install that, we have to type pkg install python, then you press enter and wait for the installation to be done. But as for this one, it's going to take some time, so I'll forward this video to the next when it's done. Okay, so Python is successfully installed. To see that it has been installed, you type Python and it will open its terminal for you. So to close it, you press on Ctrl D and it will close the terminal for you. Now our next package is Python 2. So now we are going to install it by typing the pkg install python 2 to install the Python 2, and it's the same Python, but it's something like version 2 of Python. So we install that. So pkg install python 2. The 2 should be part of the Python. Okay, so Python 2 has been successfully installed. Now you can install pip, type pkg install pip. Or apt install pip. Just type pip and see what will happen. Okay, pip is already installed. When Python packages was installed, as you can see, collecting pip and successfully installed pip too. So pip is already installed. You can clear by clear command. So our next package we are going to install is Git. To execute this command, type pkg install Git and then press enter. So as you can see, Git is installed successfully. Okay, so at this point we have installed most of the important tools we need to set up our termux ready. Okay, there are other tools that you can use to play around, like having fun and other stuff, but let's continue to install the important one. Then when we finish our next tutorial, we are going to do that. So next package is pkg install toilet. So right now we are installing pkg toilet. It's going to take some time, so I'm going to try that. Okay, so right now that we are done with the important one,
Okay, so
let's see the package that has been
installed.
And the
Now, if you don't know the package to install, you can type pkg list, and it's going to pkg help rather.
Now you can also continue with the package like Tor, which gives you the access to say anonymous on the terminal. So right to continue. Okay, so it's installed. Let's continue with the package like Lines. Lines is like a web browser in the terminal, and you can use it to open websites in it. And you can use the Tor to stay anonymous on the website in the terminal too. So let's finish installing that one. Okay, so it's done. Let's continue installing our package. Let's install this one. It's called Nano. So pkg install Nano. So Nano is like a text editor in the terminal, which enables you to edit files during hacking and other stuff. Okay, so it's done installing. So we finished. Thanks for watching, and in our next video I'm going to give you the tutorial on how to install the most powerful tools like Metasploit, Watasploit, Wireshark, Ergidon, and other most powerful tools. Thank you.